My crazy flatmate is always copying me, so I faked a shaved head and she shaved her head too. Now, she wants me to pay for her wig but I refuse. There's this girl that lives in my uni halls. We're not roommates but we are flatmates. Let's name her Kaya. I met her in September when we started university and moved into hall. We're not best friends but we are friendly. We don't really spend much time together. Over time, my friends noticed that Kaya tried to copy me and everything. It started slowly, with accessories and some clothes. Nothing major. I didn't even notice until people started pointing it out to me. I have a rather distinct style and she started copying me. I don't know the style and she's free to wear what she likes, but it's the exact same copies of my outfits, which is very odd.
Kinda
But
like a
then,
CNC
it started
machine.
going further.
Now let's
I dyed
remove
my
that
hair,
protective
she dyed
barrier
her hair,
and
I bought
trace the
something
template
from
on-
my room, and she bought the same thing. I started